Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the battery in your DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. If you had your camera for a long period of time and you want to just change the battery, at first you of course need to buy a new one. Now once done, you need to only here look at this side without the power button. Here as I can see have this side with the power button. We need to look at this without and pull the switch as this arrow goes. So upwards the camera, as you can see, towards the shoulder and towards the lens. Here switch and the walls is going up. But it's a difficult process to comprehend. Here, now, as I can see, it is here. And now, here as I can see, we have our battery. To remove this battery, we need to at first pull from this tape over here and it will go out. Here as I can see we do have our accumulator battery, as someone calls that, and now we need to just a new one, push the same way until we hear a little click. This click, as you can see, the final click, and now we need to just only close it somehow. It's difficult to close it like correctly, so we can just try a lot of times, but yes, now as you can see it's closed. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.